Hi there. Hope everybody's having a great morning. It's Tuesday, September 15th, and you should be knee deep in a cell analogy project. Regardless of what you've chosen, you should at least have made a decision on what type of analogy you are making, like a farm, a school, an amusement park, a stadium, a city. That decision well should have been made yesterday. And then starting to fill out the cell analogy worksheet. This is the worksheet. This is kind of the sheet that tells me what you're working on and what you're doing. And down here, it tells me the cell membrane. What does that represent on the farm? That could be the fence around the farm represents the cell membrane because the fence keeps the animals in and keeps other animals out and keeps people out. It's the gatekeeper of the cell. That would have been how you would have explained how the cell membrane is like the fence in your farm. So this paper is due today, today, today. So you should be well on your way or wrapping up. If you have any questions, you can always go back to the instructions that are there. Tomorrow, your map of your analogy will be due. You will be using the camera app, which can be found right here. Um, right here, camera, you go to camera app. It hops like that. We're using the camera, but there's a little button right here that you will just push to take the picture. You save it, and then you download it from your drive to turn it in just like any other paper. So you better be on track. This is due on the map is due tomorrow. The analogy paper is due today. Also, on Friday, you will have a unit cell test. On that unit cell test, you will have living, non-living, the scientist, the organelles, prokaryotes and eukaryotes, animal cell versus plant cell. We will have a review day on Thursday. All the papers that we have done are in your Google Drive. So you may start working on that also. So if you have any questions, you need to email me. I've seen both group 1 and 2 by now, so that should be a lot more helpful. So my virtual kids, please, if you have any questions, you need to have those ready for our Zoom meetings. So keep working on those cell projects, and I'll see you tomorrow.